BODDAMN. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you what goes into today's muscle building smoothie. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris with the BODDAMN channel. This channel is all about food, fitness, and how to live an active, healthy lifestyle. And in this video, we're going to go through all these ingredients so you can learn what I'm putting in my smoothie to stay lean and muscular. Follow me on Instagram at BODDAMN, and don't forget to get the free muscle building guide. It's the first link down below. You'll get some excellent muscle building tips in that guide. Go check it out. Okay, so what goes in the smoothie? The most important thing is that if you can see here, I have water in this cup right now, and that's purposely done because with the amount of ingredients that are going to go in here, I have to make sure that nothing sticks to the walls or anything like that. So having a layer of water first, about a third right there of water, is super important. Okay. So the smoothie obviously has ingredients, and this is something, that I use sometime after the workout. It's never really before the workout. I tend to work out in the morning. So if you work out in the afternoon or the evening, then obviously you'd probably pound this smoothie down maybe later after the workout, but this is always an after the workout kind of thing for me. Okay, let's talk about the first ingredient, and we've got to make the smoothie kind of cold. Like, no one wants a lukewarm smoothie. So instead of using ice, I want to use frozen blueberries. Organic frozen blueberries. These come from Costco. It's $13 for a bag. I tend to put about 1 cup of these things in here. Blueberries are very good for your brain health, rich in antioxidants. They're probably, for me, the #1 super fruit that I use. Now after that, I kind of want to supercharge my smoothie with a couple things. There are a lot of things here, but I'm going to talk to you about some of the most important ones, right? In fact, you're going to just see everything that goes in my smoothie today. I'm going to build it, and then I'm going to, I'm going to blend it all up, and it'll be like the last shot of the video. But so let's take a look at some other things that I put in there. Chia seed, real good, rich in omega-3, which is awesome, good for your heart health right here. You can get this at Costco as well, probably Sam's Club, places like that. I also have organic golden flax seed right here. Also another thing that's rich in omega-3s, pretty cool. And then we also have something that's rich in antioxidants, cacao nibs. I got this from Amazon. They used to have this at Costco, but not anymore. So now I go with Anthony's organic cocoa or cacao nibs. So that'll fill up this cup to about right here, and I still have all this room, right? In fact, it might fill it up for a little bit higher because the blueberries are in there. So a couple blueberries, these 3 things I showed you in front. Then I start going to other things that are recovery based, right? And so I have glutamine right here that I can take with the smoothie, but apparently glutamine's a little bit better if you take it before you go to bed. So I might change that up in the future. I'm not 100% sure. Glutamine's really good for muscular recovery. Also, I have other things that don't make it in the smoothie, but while I have a smoothie going, I tend to pound down other things that need liquid, right? So instead of drinking water and pounding down all these tablets, the smoothie is one of the best ways to do it. So some of these tablets that I have that I will be pounding down, they'll be in my hand. I'll take a swig, a tablet, swig, tablet. Biotin, good for nails, skin, hair. I also have vitamin B12, very important. Good for some energy. Vitamin D3. I still get a lot of sun and everything like that. I recently went to my nutritionist, who is phenomenal, by the way, right? So she is a decorated world middle distance runner. Her husband's a 2-time Olympian. She's been doing nutrition stuff for what seems to be 20 years. She has a nutrition shop in town. Recently saw her, and she asked me all kinds of interesting questions about what I might be deficient in or potentially deficient in, considering my workout strategy, everything I believe in life, all the things that I do like outside of the gym. So she wants to keep me sharp. So she put me on a vitamin D supplement just in case. So I have some vitamin D3 right here, which is cool. This comes from Life Extension. She also sells very high quality things too. So one of the questions I asked her was, what's the difference between buying this and just buying at Costco? She goes, the majority of the stuff that you buy at Costco that's vitamin oriented won't even be bioavailable to your body whatsoever. You'll just kind of like pee it out, So she said you have to get certain vitamins that have certain properties built into them that make it actually soluble, where you can actually take it in your body. So here's vitamin D, and also from Life Extension, DHEA. Being 42 years old, she's like, I think you should be on 50 milligrams of DHEA, which improves a million things in life, not just what most people would think, vitality and testosterone or anything like that, but a million different things, immune system. So I'm on 50 milligrams of DHEA, but people that are younger than me would probably need to be on 25. Like my workout partner, for example, Matt, he's on 25 milligrams a day. I'm gonna be on 50 a day, so that's something that I'm going to be using. Also saw palmetto right here. This is organic saw palmetto from Wild Harvest. And this is good for your prostate, so an important thing to have in there. She also has me on zinc picolinate, which is definitely the upper version of zinc. I think there's a zinc citrate maybe that she's like, nah, it's not as good as having zinc picolinate. So if you go for zinc picolinate, it's very good for male vitality, sexual energy, things like that. Zinc picolinate is what I'm on right here from Thorne. Thorne's an important company because there's another supplement that I've been taking for at least 2 years now that's Thorne, and it's this one right here. It's called Thorne 2 a day, basic nutrients 2 a day. Now this is classified as a multivitamin, but this one is just got all kinds of methyl properties behind the majority of things that are in here, which makes this thing very, very soluble, as opposed to like a Centrum Silver or the Costco multivitamin or something like that. None of those things work, she said. She said, make sure you get yourself a super high quality multivitamin. So I'm on Thorne. It's called Basic Nutrients 2 a day, okay? And then in the smoothie, I do put the iodine with kelp. Forgot why she told me this was really important, but she's like, it's super deficient in the US, especially in males. So 6 drops of this. This is by Pure Mountain Botanicals. 6 drops of this in every smoothie. And then as of recently, I decided I'm going to let go of some very small blood pressure medication that I'm on. I've been on it for like 10 years, and it was more like a genetic thing. They're like, yeah, since you know genetically it runs in your family, you should probably be on this. I'm gonna get away from it, right? I'm gonna stop taking it, and instead I'm gonna go pure natural route. So reishi, right? Reishi mycelium mushroom powder is one of the things I'm gonna be using to assist with cardiac health, right? It's not like my cardiac health is all super messed up or anything like that, but you know, high blood pressure or hypertension or anything like that, not that mine's actually perfect, like super perfect all the time, 10 years. But I just don't want to be on the drug that I was on. It was called lisinopril. It's got, you know, some side effects, nothing super crazy, but she's like, you know, you could probably get the same effect by getting off that and getting on some natural stuff. Cool, I'm gonna do that. So reishi, which is basically mushroom powder right here. Now, it's not just any mushroom powder, it's specifically reishi mycelium mushroom powder, so really important. That will go in the smoothie, and this I take twice a day. Okay, now, what else goes in the smoothie? Obviously, like a smoothie is, you know, fruity and it needs protein, super important. So, and I'll get another canister out here in a second, but this is the lead sponsor of this channel now. It's called Organic Muscle. These people are amazing. Everything that Organic Muscle makes is phenomenal. So I'll be putting in their plant protein powder in here, which doesn't have any soy. That's great. So it's actually every other thing but soy. Plant-based protein powder. This is the chocolate version. I've tried the strawberry, the vanilla. They're all pretty good. I like the chocolate one a lot. I'll be putting 4 scoops of this in there, which puts the protein in the smoothie. Just with this alone would be around 45 grams. And then there's some protein in the chia seeds, for example, and some other random things here. So this smoothie, when I'm done with it, it's gonna be pushing around 50, maybe 60 grams of protein. So that's really important. When my target every day is somewhere around 180 to 200 grams of protein, you know, you can get a pretty big hit if you strategically, you know, build your smoothie correctly. And then the last thing I'm gonna be using from Organic Muscle is superfood greens, which just helps in like digestion and all this other stuff. So this is pretty cool. It's a lemon flavor, so it might make the smoothie taste, you know, lemon and chocolate don't go well together, you know, but doesn't matter. I put it in there, suck it down, pretty awesome. It's only there's 30 servings in this thing, and it's 25 calories a piece. It doesn't matter. It's like any kind of superfood supplement that you would see people put in their smoothies. I'm using theirs. And by the way, if you're watching this and now you're intrigued, you're like, all right, Organic Muscle, I like it. You know, I'm interested, cool. Find them on Instagram at Organic Muscle, and you can use the code BODDAMN to save yourself 15% on the entire order. So pretty cool. Go check it out. They have a lot of cool supplements. These are just 2 of like probably 10 that they have. So anyway, pretty good stuff. They're mostly known for their pre-workout though. But it's a great powder. It's a good pre-workout powder. I love it. Nice, crisp feel, like super crisp. But they have other cool things too that you'll see in other BODDAMN videos. But yeah, that's the lead sponsor of this video, or the entire channel. And so thanks to those guys out there. And you know, their mission's really good. You know, they believe in really holistic, organic, purest ingredients ever. I'm all about it. Sign me up, you know? That's what's gonna go into this smoothie, and I'm gonna go blend it up right now, and yeah, here we go. Boom, and there you go. Sorry, the battery cut out. So anyway, but yeah, this is the smoothie. It's time to get down all those pills. And that concludes the video. If you learned a thing or two, then make sure you follow me on Instagram at BODDAMN, and also subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you on the next BODDAMN video. Take it easy. Goodbye.